Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks, and behind me is a beautiful 2019 Lincoln MKT MK Coach Legacy. Four-way purple strobes in the front, all-wheel drive on a black on black with a white stripe here. Beautiful black tuxedo top with a stainless steel crown band. Interior-wise, you have a wonderful Alicante floor with a titanium interior. Flip-up church truck tray here along with a umbrella tray down below. Very standard options, black carpet throughout on the bottom. It is graced with dark gray drapes in two chrome nameplate holders. Now, everything on this body here is fiberglass, so number two doors are fiberglass, rear coach body is fiberglass, and the rear load door is fiberglass. Not something you really need to worry about, but just something to give you a heads up on because it's a premium option over a traditional coach. So there's not a single component on this conversion here that has any possibility to rust, to corrode, to have any sort of issues down the road, same way a Corvette is built. So premium materials put together on this family owned and operated chassis conversion. In the rear here, you're going to see something a little different. This is the manual pop-up urn carrier here, early design of this 2019. This has carried on into the newer style Cadillac XT6 chassis, also built by MK Coach. But this gives you an urn carrier that sits right in the back window of the coach. Fold-out side panels here, 4 flowers, urn carrier. Obviously, the urn sits right here in the center. It is all marbled out right here, folds down for your Extend-A-Sill. So nice and easy manual operation. All you have to do is place this right back up. You're going to notice a couple black lines and stuff. That's just from use. We only cleaned this vehicle. We have not serviced it yet, so all of that will be addressed. Same with a little bit of nicks here from a previous church truck. All that will be all dolled up. 4 parking sensors in the rear along with a backup camera. Now obviously all of this folds right back down into the car. Everything stays in the car as well, right back into traditional casketed mode. So everything you see here stays with the vehicle. There's nothing kicking around the funeral home that has to be removed. So what this does is fits that urn right in the rear load door here. Nice and easy. That way the family can see the urn during the procession, give more benefit and value to the family there. Low door stainless as well as an upgraded option on this vehicle. As we work our way over to the driver's side, full-size full-size spare located down below here, jack and toolkit located on the right, and it has the hideaway door as well, so the family can never see the tire, or you can hide some other things behind there, such as magnets or flags. 2 chrome nameplate holders on this side as well, LED style exterior coach lamps in those beautiful dark gray drapes. Interior wise, black on black leather, AM FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay as well. Remote start features on this vehicle. Both the driver and the passenger seat are fully powered, are fully leather. Very comfortable seating inside this. Once again, 2019 MKT Lincoln by MK Coach. This is the Legacy model. All-wheel drive factory, so you always have all-wheel drive. Low mileage, 35,000 original miles with the manual pull-up urn carrier in the rear, and then everything else you'd assume to have on a late model pre-owned vehicle here. Fully serviced by us. It has not been done just yet, so if you notice any blemishes, those will be addressed. Feel free to get with your salesman as well just to confirm. 800-229-5008. Give me a call. I'd love to give you some numbers on this car and take what you have in trade. Thank you very much. Talk to you in the next one.